Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So click on the top right of the video to enter Discord. At the moment, just one tap away and you're going to be in. So yesterday, BONK had a nice pump. We saw one pump up to 222,000, and I've given you this little bit of a channel going on in here that, you know what, if BONK does actually end up breaking above, come for the retest, hold the retest, then we may see at a technical target of 273,000. Now, considering the fact that on the daily time frame you also have the EMA's crossovers, I talked to you about the 10 EMA being very good support right now. You can see that the 10 literally did actually became a very good support. Not only that, but we also had a morning star right on the 10 EMA right there. But the thing is that we still couldn't quite do one thing that I'm really expecting or was expecting BONK to do. For a second, I thought I'm going to trade it, and I did not trade BONK at all because I was actually sold a little bit here. I actually thought that's it. You know, we're breaking out of it. We're holding the 10 EMA. Number two was that it got a little bit of a manipulation as well. You can see that you literally made a bullish candle here right on the support level, but you still ended up breaking below the channel. So that was a little bit of a manipulation going on. So you can see one touch, you got the second one, you got the touch right here and the break above, and then you're literally inside the channel once again. So here is the thing. If we do end up again, maybe just try to break above here, which I doubt, and especially on the weekend it's a little bit hard. Weekends are not very good. You have to be careful about the weekends. So we may actually see a push back up inside and try to get above. That would be really good if you break above 228,000, and then you may be good to go for 270,000, right? But now that you're inside this channel, and you know, be careful if you take out 173. That pretty much gives you the ticket all the way down to 140 or 150,000. That's where we may be looking at BONK literally going to the downside, because do not forget that there's a technical target still pending at 150,000 as well. So it's a little bit difficult to navigate where we're standing right now. And once we do come down maybe to those levels at 150, 140, we may actually see the market being a little bit good as well. Now we're literally reaching the end of the week, so let's check the weekly time frame. Now this is the first red candle that we've seen for BONK, and I want to show you a logarithmic chart scale right now. So I kind of think that, you know, this here, you know, this right over here, these three candles right over here is a bigger version of this little three candles, right? So you have this one here, and this is the second one, which is the biggest one, but they pretty much look the very same. I mean, if you start with the first candle, it's a very small candle, and if you look at this candle, it's a very small candle, and then the second one was a little bit bigger one, and the shape also looks almost the same, which is also a little bigger one, and the shape also looks nearly the same. The third one was the biggest one, the third one is the biggest one here, and then followed by a red candle, isn't it? So are we looking for the next 2 days to just close with a doji, maybe up to 220, and then probably start to make another push, repeating all this thing once again? Could be, you know. There's something that I wanted to give a mention as well. But yes, one thing that you have to look after is this one. I think this is the best thing to look at the moment. If you may actually break above, or I'm just going to say be cautious. If you take 173, for me that's a ticket down to 150. And that's it. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.